Using Upside with Uber. In this video, you are going to learn how to use Upside with Uber. So let's get started. First, create an account on the Upside platform. This may involve providing your information, including details related to your Uber driver account. After that, link your Uber account, connect your Uber driver account to your Upside account. This typically involves logging into your Uber account through the Upside platform. After that, once your account are linked, try for Uber as usual. Upside may offer reward, discount or cashback based on your driving activity. Redeem rewards. Check the Upside platform for any rewards or benefits you may have earned. Some platforms provide cashback, gift cards or other perks that you can redeem through their system. Check for any updates as features and partnerships can change. It's crucial to stay informed. Check for updates from both Upside and Uber to ensure you are taking advantage of any new benefit or changes to the program. That's all. That's how you will be able to use Upside with Uber.